Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil reminder there, the engine oil reminder. So here on the page, press this one, press again, you go to the gears here. This is for the setting. Bring this down to the service, maintenance. This is on the maintenance. Click this one, and under the maintenance, the surface, tire, others, we go to service, press it again. This is the mileage. If you press this, you can change the mileage reminder, how many miles you want to set this reminder. Usually with the Nissan set it at 5,000. I'm going to follow them, like just the 5,000. So that's the 5,000 miles, then you will get reminder. So that's it, and you can press the page again here, page. That's it. You can go to whatever setting you want to display, you want to use it. Usually for me is I go to this display, the tire pressure, so I know if I get imbalance tire pressure. Alright guys, that's it for the reminders reset. So thanks again for watching.